After posting the video yesterday, many friends asked about solving the problem of bubbles in the middle while dealing with the edges. There are only 3 possibilities with a cannon in the middle. The first possibility is the screen press machine's door isn't closed properly, or there's a problem with the parameters. The second possibility is a problem with the adhesive, and the third possibility is a problem with the technique. Most of the time, it is caused by improper technique, which is common. Looking for a scrapped screen. It's challenging to remove bubbles from screens like this. I'll look for a cover plate without adhesive and another screen to prevent confusion. I'm afraid everyone will get confused. Okay, let's find another ultra-clear screen with adhesive, as the problem of bubble in the middle is often caused by adhesive with OCA. Where's the best place to buy device parameters, and who do I ask? Usually it's 0.3 megapascals. If it's a problem with the adhesive, you can see bubbles or something in the middle at first glance. After the film is applied, the problem occurs halfway, which can be avoided beforehand. The main issue with the adhesive is the technique. After removing the film, before aligning, we tear off the top thin film. The initial liquid on the screen should be tolerable but not excessive. The key on the screen is important, so start with a corner when aligning. After we press this corner lightly. We are discussing manual alignment, so after light pressing. Then press another corner. After fixing on top, align the bottom, and press this position after alignment. After gently pressing, connect without unnecessary actions in between. Hold it with your fingernail, pick up the cover without touching the LCD with your hand, only touch the cover, and avoid pressing randomly during alignment. Avoid pressing randomly on the backlight or back of the LCD screen, then flip and insert it into the laminating machine to flatten. This is 100% guaranteed to be bubble-free. So this is the first explanation. What about the second one? For instance, some Apple users align inside the frame. Either press in the middle, not elsewhere. Just press in the middle, not too hard. It got stuck on its own, no worries. If self-pressed, it's easy to get air bubbles. Because of different covers or different brands. The requirements for alignment may be different. Some covers, you can freely press them, and there won't be air bubbles no matter how you press. For some adhesives, it's not a cover problem, it's an adhesive issue. Pressing it may cause air bubbles, so be careful. There is another problem, my friends. When separating the screen, it cracked or shattered completely. Simply put, luck plays a bigger role than the diamond wire, temperature, or heating used for separation. The key is that, when we remove the cover plate, we often bring glass fragments inside. If split screen, glass fragments will leave a mark on polarizer. It's these glass fragments. The LCD screen gets shattered. When we separate the screen, some people often reverse it and attach the backlight to it. Separate it on the separating machine. We can apply UV glue or clean the glass residue. Using UV glue will tightly stick all glass impurities. If using UV glue, attach a tempered film. If cleaning, just remove glass fragments. Just clean the glass shards before connecting the wires. For some screens, even with a glass shard causing a scratch, it won't be damaged. Flexible screens and a certain type of screens can be damaged by just one glass shard. That's all for the video. I'll share it with everyone.